The next topic is one that we're going to spend quite a bit of time with in the second semester of Physics 30. We're going to be looking at reflection, refraction, diffraction, and polarization of visible light. We'll be reviewing these concepts. So remember, reflection happens off a mirror or some other reflective surface where the angle of incidence is going to equal the angle of reflection. Refraction is a little bit different. So refraction is why, if you're standing in a swimming pool, say waist deep, and you look down at your legs, they appear to be shorter and coming out at an angle. That's because light will bend towards that normal when it goes into a denser material, and it'll bend away from the normal when it comes out. So the light that was coming from your legs in their actual position, say this light, or the light that hits your eyes, when it was coming up at a steep angle, it gets tilted at the water level. So it gets refracted out to an even steeper angle before it hits your eye. So your brain thinks, oh, that light came from over here because it's still trying to connect a straight line, which is why your legs come off to the side. And if you come in shallow enough in the denser medium, you can get the total internal reflection, which is a key part of radio waves as well. But that light can bounce inside the atmosphere. We also have diffraction. When a light wave or any other wave comes up to slits or some other obstacle, it scatters. And then you have light coming in that has constructive or destructive interference. So the waves add up or they cancel, and you get bright and dark spots on the other side. This is something that we will look at with waves in general in Physics 20, and then go into in much more detail in Physics 30. And then finally, the polarization of light. Because light is a wave, well, you can line it up with slots. If the wave is waving or going up and down, it can more easily penetrate a vertical slit than a horizontal slit. So a lot of polarized sunglasses actually only allow light waves to come through if they're waving in one direction or the other. And that slit will block the rest of the light. So this is another key feature of light. Now this one is more of a Physics 30 topic, but we will be getting there, especially when we find out that it's not just light that has these wave properties, all subatomic particles do. So this diffraction of light and the polarization of light, we can also do that with things like electrons. So that's part of what's coming up.